Assalamu alaikum second year, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. I am now teaching you the most important topic of fourth chapter, equation of the line, different forms. There are six different forms of the equation of the line. We will discuss all, and you will these are just very easy. These are all short questions, but any kind of the equation form of the equation can be calculated. We have so far calculated and read only one form. I have told you y minus y1 is equal to m x minus xn, where m is the slope of the equation and x1 y1 is the point. So this is called slope point form. If there is somewhere is written you have to calculate slope point form, then we will calculate the first. This is called slope. This is the slope and this is point. So slope point form. The name of this equation is slope point form. Now we will calculate all forms, the other 5 forms. Slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c. You will remember it, memorize it. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. This c will be the y-intercept. I will calculate it just to answer all questions. Just write forms, 2 intercept forms. X over a plus y over b is equal to 1. The denominator of x, a is the x-intercept and this is y-intercept. Normal form. Most important form is the normal form. X cos alpha. This is mostly given in exams. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Very important form where cos alpha and sin alpha will be given with x and y, and p is the distance. I will tell you in detail. 2-point form. The same 1-point slope point form, y minus y1 x minus x1. M, if we replace the formula with f of m with m, y2 minus y1 over x2 over x2 minus x1, then this will called 2-point form. Symmetric form, x minus x1 over cos alpha is equal to y minus y1 over sin alpha. This is also important, but we cannot calculate it unless we calculate the normal form. Okay, first we calculate normal form, then we calculate the symmetric form. But you should know in some MCQs of board, this form is also written. This form is also asked from the students. So now we will start with an example. Where we start, look at this example. This example, in this example, all the 6 forms are. This example is on page 202 of your book. All 6 forms are required. In exercise 4.3, only 2 or 3 forms are given, but we will calculate once the all forms, so that whatever form is needed you can calculate. They have asked only slope intercept form, 2 intercept form and normal form. Again, the normal form is the most important one. How do we calculate all forms? This is the question. I have taken the first part, 2x minus 4. We will calculate all forms. First of all, the slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. This is the form. We have to eliminate y from this equation. We will take minus 4y on the second side. Minus 4y will become plus 4y. We divide by 4 and this will become 2x plus 11 over 4. Divide 4 with both. 2 and 4 will be cut along and 1 over 2 will remain. 11 over 4. Now this is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to 1 over 2 and c is equal to 11 over 4. C is the y-intercept, 11 over 4. Actually, the most important, it is also the important form of the equation of the line, because we can calculate slope from this. If the equation of the line is given, we can find the slope. In last questions, we just calculate slope while the points are given. Now the line is given, so we can find the slope. If the equation of the line is given, we can find the slope, which is here m value is 1 over 2. Second, slope intercept form, intercept form or 2 intercept form, which is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So we just take 11 on the second side, minus 11 on the right side of the equation, and then we divide with minus 11 on both sides. Why minus 11? We need here 1, so we divide the constant number minus 11 with both sides. It will become x over minus 2 and 11 over 4. The number which is in the numerator can be taken in the double denominator. So we have got the intercept form. 2 intercept form or only intercept form can this is the a x intercept and this is b y intercept.